All right, today I have for you the Mk48 Party Popper assembly. It's a spring-powered grenade launcher. It's this. When it's done, you push it and push the catch so that it catches, make sure it's set, and then when you're done and ready, you just tap the catch and it'll fire. Now, there's a couple of tricks to this. In this one, you can see part of the plunger head broke off. I had been struggling with that, trying to figure out how to fix it. And in the end, I decided that's like a 12-gram print. It isn't the end of the world if you have to reprint the head on the plunger every once in a while. That only happens sometimes. Like I have one plunger here that I've used about the same as this one, and then this one's fine and this one's broken. It also happens usually after several shots. So you get some use out of each firing. Now, onto the assembly, you need a screw. Here's my usual corset thread number 4s. I think these are 420s. You've got all your printed parts. You have a pin in here. I used filament, but one of Slug's little metal pins would work as well, or a cut nail or a piece of wire or something, and it's really not picky. And a couple of rubber bands, and then a quarter length of a K25. To assemble it, first we're going to take this, put it in here, put the screw in the top, and thread that down. Tight. Put the spring on here. Make sure that the notch in the plunger there is lined up with where the catch is. You would have put the catch in, the long part of the arm goes there, and you stick that pin in through the side. And then this just threads on. Once that's done, you take your rubber bands and put them on here one at a time. And I double these ones up because that's how much force I needed. You can kind of adjust whether you need more or less tension, and then you test it. It should just catch because you want it to be tapped to fire, and you don't want it to, if you don't want it to go off without pressing that really hard, you can just add more rubber bands until the strength is high enough. And I mean, that's all there is to it. It's really easy to